I'm Butch Sarma. I'm the director of the Executive MBA program here at Virginia Commonwealth University's School of Business. I've been the director since May of 2018, and I serve as an adjunct in the marketing department. I joined the United States Army in 1986 and served in the 10th Mountain Division in upstate New York. I was deployed and completed my enlistment in 1989, and then I served in the Virginia Army National Guard. I have a bachelor's degree and a master's degree from Old Dominion University in Norfolk, Virginia. I think there are several really exceptional parts to the Executive MBA program here at VCU. First is our focus on creativity. We push creativity in terms of how students will develop new products, new ideas, the process of creativity. We bring in artists and people from different parts of the theatrical industry to help them with their presentations, to communicate better. I think we do a really good job of bringing that creative focus into the Executive MBA program. Second thing I see is leadership. We use a values-based leadership model here at VCU. That's what we teach. And that is proven to be really popular and long-lasting with our students as they carry that forward into industry. We find that the lessons they learn in leadership, and especially communication as leaders, improves tremendously through the exercises and practice that we do in the program. And it's great to watch how they develop their speech and public speaking skills. Another important aspect of the Executive MBA program is our international trip. We go to a different location every year, and it's done in part with the students' interest of where to go, along with obviously our faculty's guidance about what are interesting and academically worthwhile places to go as well. And then the last part of our EMBA, Executive MBA program that I think is unique and speaks well to VCU is the efforts that we take to develop people as leaders. We spend a lot of time talking about coaching, developing a peer-mentor relationship among the students in the cohort, and really trying to guide people through reflection and self-assessment to be better leaders, to bring their values forward as leaders, to improve beyond just the manager stage, to help lead change in their organizations, develop new strategies, and compete on a local and global basis. It's an easy choice. VCU is located here in the downtown area of Richmond, Virginia. We're an urban campus in the middle of a diverse city. It's a historic city with many things to see and do. The campus itself is split into two parts. There's an academic campus for folks in the medical and allied health professions who are studying both at the undergrad and graduate level, and then the academic campus where I work here by Monroe Park. The schools that are part of VCU range from the Exceptional School of the Arts that is worldwide famous to the business school where I'm at, where we teach leadership, we teach management, marketing, include centers for the Da Vinci learning for product innovation, the brand center, sports leadership. A lot of exceptional graduate level programs are taught through the School of Business as part of VCU. VCU is an urban university, so we are located in the city. So it is accessible to all of the parts of the city that are great. Entertainment, food, dining options. We're close to the James River for folks who have an interest in that. And certainly the history of Central Virginia and Virginia is played out well throughout the area. VC is a part of all of that. I think coming to VCU is a different choice for people, especially if you've been in the military and you're looking for a place that offers you a mix of venues outside of your educational requirements. Once you get off of campus, what are things you can do and see and experience and be part of? VCU is a rich city for all of those things.